Okay, so discuss natin 'tong problem sa dynamics using force and acceleration method. The boy has a weight of 60 pounds. At the instant theta is 60 degrees, the boy's center of mass G experiences a speed of 15 feet per second. Find the tension in each of the two supporting cords of the swing and the rate of increase in its speed at this instant. Kung saan pinapahanap sa atin yung tension tsaka yung rate of increase ng speed. So that's A tangential, no? Ito yung dalawa. Kasi para mahanap yan, no? So drawing muna natin yung free body diagram natin. Okay? So ito yung ito yung ating axis sa tangential and normal, no? Tama? Ayan. So dito, saan ba yung normal dyan, no? Di ba ang normal axis natin, lagi siyang towards the center. So yung path natin, di ba? Saan ba yung center niyan? Ito, di ba? Sabihin, ito yung normal axis natin, no? Kasi ito naman yung perpendicular sa kanya, yan yung tangential. So ito yung normal, ito yung tangential axis. Okay, then nandito daw yung dalawang chords, no? Okay, two supporting chords, no? Yan, take note yan, no? Kasi nga, dalawa yan, no? Pag dinrawing mo, 2T ang ilalagay mo kasi nga dalawa yung chord natin. So, yung weight niya na 60 pound, no? Then, yung binigay na angle dito with respect sa horizontal, 60. Diba? Yung weight perpendicular naman yan. So, 90 minus 60, that is 30 to, no? Okay, so now, yan, makukuha na natin yung tension tsaka yung acceleration, no? So, we have summation along N muna, no? Is equal to M times AN, no? Okay, so ano ba yung along AN? That's 2T minus yung component ng weight along N-axis, which is 60 cosine 30 degrees. Is equal to M, yung mass natin, di ba? That's 60, di ba naka-weight to? I-divide natin ng acceleration due to gravity in English, which is 32.2. Okay? Then yung AN natin, di ba? Saan ba equal yung AN? Di ba? That is V squared over R, no? Given naman yung V natin, that is 15 squared over 10. This is equal to 22.5, no? 22.5 feet per second. Ito yung acceleration, normal natin, no? Okay? 22.5. Ayan, so unknown na lang natin is yung T. Okay, so yan, masolve na natin siya. Ayan, shift solve na lang yan, no? 2 minus 60 cosine 30 is equal to 60 over 32.2 times 22.5. Ayan, shift solve natin, that is 46.943. 46.943 pound. Ito na yung ating tension sa cord, no? Kasi para makuha naman yung acceleration along tangential, simple summation forces, ano ka lang, along t-axis naman. AT. Yan. So dito, weight lang naman yung nandun, no? Yung component ng weight along tangential axis natin. That is 60 sine 30 is equal to mass ulit. So, divide ulit natin ng acceleration due to gravity na 32.2 feet per second squared, 80. Ayan, no? So, ito, yan. Masolve natin yung tangential, no? Ayan. 60 times sine 30. That is 60 over 32.2 times yung unknown natin, no? Ayan, 16.1, no? Yan. So, we have acceleration tangential natin ay 16.1 feet per second squared. Ito na yung ating answer. Okay, so yun, ganun na natin sinolve yung problem na to, no? O, summation forces lang along the normal and tangential axis. So, yun lang. Thank you for listening.